Introducing the 2020 Ford F-150. Top features include cruise control, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, and a split folding rear seat. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.